I've always wanted a space-saving solution for when guests come over, and the Koala sofa bed caught my eye. After having it for a few months, here's my breakdown of the pros and cons. Pros. Seriously easy setup. Unboxing and assembling this thing was a breeze. It took maybe 10 minutes. Tops. It's great if you live alone and don't want to wrestle with complicated furniture. Looks the part. The design is clean and modern. I got the charcoal linen option, and it fits right in with my living room vibes. Surprisingly comfy as a sofa. It's firmer than my old couch, but that firmness gives really good support. I spend way more time on it than I anticipated. Cons. Not the plushest bed. As a guest bed, it's fine, especially for a night or two. But if someone was staying longer, I'd probably invest in a mattress topper for extra comfort. Pricey. Koala isn't exactly budget furniture. If you're on a tight budget, you might find similar sofa beds at a lower price point. Can be a bit squeaky. Not a deal breaker, but sometimes I notice a bit of a squeak when I first sit down. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.